Hey friends, don't forget you can join me at hashtag moderncucumber23 if you have a unique cucumber recipe. Let's make this delicious drink. 1 cup of mint leaves steeped in hot water. Juice enough lemons and limes to make 1 cup of juice. I used 4 lemons and 2 limes. Put the desired amount of sugar into a pitcher and strain the mint tea. Pour in the lemon juice and the lime juice. Add enough water to make 1 gallon and stir well. Add plenty of ice to your glass. Fill your glass with the delicious lemonade. Now for a nice meal, you can put your lemonade in a nice decanter or glass pitcher. And for something really extra special in your lemonade, you can always add a cube of frozen cucumber juice. So, how was that for short, sweet, and simple, my friends? Thank you so much for joining me. You know I love it when you come and spend a few minutes with me. So until we meet again, may you be blessed. Love you guys. I hope you enjoy the recipe.